5 Montessori activities you can start at home today. No fancy toys, no big budget, just simple tools your toddler already loves. 5 Montessori activities you can start at home today. No fancy toys, no big budget, just simple tools your toddler already loves. Montessori isn't about expensive toys. It's about giving your child real tools, real independence, and the freedom to learn by doing. Start with pouring. Fill a small pitcher with water or dry rice, and let your child practice pouring it into a cup. It builds focus, control, and confidence, one careful pour at a time. Next, sorting. Give your child a bowl of buttons, or blocks, or beads. Let them sort by color or by shape. There's no rush, just quiet little hands making sense of the world. Then, a sensory bin. Fill a tray with rice, or sand, or dried beans. Hide small toys inside. Let your child dig, scoop, and discover. It's simple, and it's magic. Next, self-care skills. A simple dressing frame with buttons, or zippers, or laces. Small fingers learning big skills, getting ready for the real world. Last, give them a small broom, or a cloth, or a little dustpan. Let them clean up their own spills. It's not a chore. It's a gift, the gift of belonging. 5 simple activities, one happy, capable child. Save this for later and follow for more calm Montessori ideas for your little one.